You may wish to edit a quilt block that you have created in the Quilter program, or you may wish to edit one that is built into the software. There are two ways to edit a block. If you are editing a block that you have created, you can select the block in the library and click on Edit. This will open the block editor. Select File, Save As, and name the block as an edited block. Click on Save, and for now we're going to close the file. If you try to edit a built-in block, it will not work in this same way. When you click on Edit, you get a warning message, and this method will only work for created blocks. The second way to edit a block is through File, Manage Blocks. This is the only way that you can edit built-in blocks. You might want to create a folder for edited blocks. Right-click on the left side and select New Library. Name the file Edited Blocks and click OK. Navigate to the location of the built-in block that you wish to edit. Right-click on it and select Copy, and then navigate to your edited block folder and right-click and select Paste. Double-click to open the block editor. For this file, let's just change colors. Select the paintbrush tool, select the color that you want to add, and click on the areas to add that color. Select another color and click on the areas to add that color. Repeat the process until you have recolored the block as you wish. And then you can select File, Save, because the original file is already protected. When you close Block Editor, you'll see the updated block in the Block Library Manager. To edit the personal block, select it and then double-click on your edited file. Let's learn about other things you can do when you're editing. First of all, if you want to resize the block, you can go to the Edit Block Size and change the size of the block and click OK. The block is just smaller, but the colors and the shapes are all maintained. Now let's say that we want to move and resize this circle. Select the circle and you can click on one of the corner resizing handles to change the size proportionally. When I do this, the color disappears, and that is typical when you are editing. To move this block, I can click on the outline and move it into a different area. Now let's say we want to delete some lines. You can select a line and press Delete. Select a line and delete. Any of the lines that you have created or the shapes that you have created can be deleted. Once they're deleted, you may want to add another line, and you can do that by clicking on the line. Click, release the mouse, hold the Shift key down, and drag to the opposite side and click again. If I want to move that line, I can select that line and select Reshape. That lets me click and drag and move it into a different area. When I'm ready to add color, I can select the paintbrush and select a color and click on an area. You'll notice that the color bled into an area, and if you ever have this happen, you need to reshape. So I'm going to click on Reshape and zoom in, because see how the line does not intersect with the block. So I need to click and drag and make the line intersect with the block. The color, of course, will go away again. When I select the paintbrush and select the color and click in the area, it will be confined. Continue to add color as you want to. And if you want to add another line, of course you can add another line. Remember, when you are adding a line, to zoom in, hold down the Shift key, and you can make sure that it intersects. Then you can continue to add your colors to finish the block. Since you've already renamed the block, select File, Save, close out of Block Editor, and you'll see your edited block